Good morning, everyone. It's Greg. Welcome to Buckeye Freight Rail, 35 degrees here in Glendale, Ohio. Beautiful Glendale, Ohio. Supposed to get up in the 70s tomorrow or the next day maybe. But we got a train coming up now. I'm not sure what it is. He's a short. He's only 160 axles. So let's see what he is. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. All right, I believe this is L423, Cincinnati to Dayton local, coming at you. All right, there you go. L423, head to Dayton, Ohio. Thanks for watching. All right, quad gates coming down. We got M558 coming up. He's Cincinnati to Willard, Ohio. And he's only got 260 something axles. Another short train coming at you. One locomotive. Right, there you go. And there go the gates. Well, the last train provided a lunar for this train. Maybe we'll get another lunar for another train. Maybe some Norfolk Southern will start running. Let's find out. Hey, we got a southbound coming. It's a CSX, that's all I can tell you so far. They never called out. Of course, they don't hear much. That is M507. Walbridge, Ohio to Cincinnati. The auto racks were loaded on there. Had a mid DPU. Nice train. Unexpected. But I like it. All right, thanks for watching. All right, we got a CSX coming north. Where's all the Norfolk Southerns today? Oh, well, he is 308 axles. Coming at you. Truck frames. All right, that is 506. That's the backhaul of the southbound we just had. The southbound we had the yellow truck frames on it that were empty, but they had the yellow tops on it. And that one was loaded with yellow tops. All right, 506 and 507. Thanks for watching. All right, got a 52 axle train here, Tropicana orange juice train, going up to Crescentville, Ohio. The orange juice will be on the back. Y127 heading up to Crescentville, Stockton area. All right, we got a green on track 2 now, so we'll await that train's arrival. Getting warmer here. Tomorrow's supposed to be 72, so that'll be good. All right, thanks for watching. All right, we know what that means, don't we? We got a CSX coming. It's not often you see a CSX with a pusher on the end. We did not hear what he called out. I'm going to say that was M204. Mostly auto rack, so yeah, that's what I'm going with. I'll let you know if we hear anything else. All right, guys, thanks for watching. All right, got another CSX coming. No NS trains today, that's weird. This might be a grain train coming at you. All right, there you go. There went 354 axles of empty grain cars. He's going up north somewhere to fill up with grain and come back. That's G794, I believe it was. G stands for grain train. All righty. Appreciate you being here. All right, we've got a train I haven't seen in a while, L425, the Connorsville train. Connorsville, Indiana to Cincinnati coming at you. Oh man, he's a big one. Oh, that was just too much. All right, there you go. He's going down to Cincinnati to pick up some cars and take them back to Connorsville, Indiana. Thanks for watching.